want to have a beautiful hair, and you can try to these solutions. Thank you for your listening.
Stop. Okay.
Good evening, everyone. The outbreak of H1N1, which is a new space type of has caused a pandemic this year. Basically, H1N1 is an infection of a host animal by any one of several species microscopic organisms called swine flu encephalitis. Swine flu encephalitis is any strain of influenza family of virus that is usually caused by pigs. Regarding to transmission, the H1N1 virus is similar to a seasonal influenza, primarily borne contagion and infection through breathing infecting particles of saliva or blood. In general, adults with the illness can infect others from 1 day before the onset of symptoms to up to 7 days after the onset of symptoms. As for the symptoms, it includes fever, cough, sore body aches, headache, chills, and fatigue. Also, people have symptoms such as diarrhea or vomiting. Besides, it has a big impact on tourism and business and cause a global fear of a possible human pandemic. I would like to tell you the way to prevent H1N1. Firstly, stay away from the infection source countries. In other words, to avoid traveling to areas affected by H1N1 epidemic. Next, having a good personal hygiene will be very important, such as washing hands frequently. Finally, maintain personal health. For instance, to keep a balanced diet and regular